and today I want to move forward with those ideas. To get in and have a bit of a reset day, I really need to organize a few things.
It's not perfect, but I just emptied 3 moving boxes.
Good morning. I am back in DC after being away for a week. It was such a nice trip. I actually have a little bit of a travel montage at the end of my packing video. If you've not seen that, I'll leave that linked down below. It was such a nice trip, but I am so happy to be back and I'm so ready to get in and have a bit of a reset day. I really need to organize a few things. I need to unpack and get myself organized after the trip. I also need to fix the bed situation and finish figuring out what furniture I'm gonna have in here because I do not like the fact that I pretty much have nothing. I'm over it. I feel like being away gave me a little bit of perspective. I've got some ideas and today I want to move forward with those ideas. If you are new here, my name is Rachel. I just moved to Washington DC from Australia and I am in the process of setting up my apartment. So today we're going to be having half a reset day where I come back from vacation and try to get my life organized while also fixing the bed disaster from my last video. If you've not seen that, I'll leave that link down below. And then also, you know, figuring out the next lot of furniture, particularly the living room stuff, and get this place feeling like a home. First things first, I'm gonna do a load of towels. Yesterday was the 4th, and so I had a little July 4th party up on my rooftop, and I need to wash some towels from swimming in the pool and everything like that. I've decided I wanna host a little bit more this summer, so I would like to get some more cute beach towels so that I have towels to give people when they come over rather than them bringing their own. And then I'd also like to get some cute plastic cups and plates and things because you're not allowed to have glass up near the pool, and I just think that would be a really cute thing to help me host and have people over this summer. So those are on my to-get list. Whether I do that today or not, I don't know, but those are some things I'm thinking about for the rest of the summer. But let's go and wash all of these towels.
This is my only beach towel, and I really wouldn't want to get a couple more stripy ones like this. The orange one is my friend's towel, so I'm going to wash that before I give it back to them. And then I just have hand towel, bath mat, bath towel. I have my blanket that I accidentally spilled a little bit of beer on yesterday, so if that fits in the washing machine, I'm going to throw that in too. I have another hand towel. And I have one more blue hand towel. I just spent so long trying to find the other blue hand towel. It's at my boyfriend's house, so okay, I didn't lose it. I'm not going insane, but I definitely don't have it here with me.
Next on my list of stuff to do includes charging my Apple Watch because I completely forgot to take the charger with me when I went to Winnipeg. So I haven't used this thing in over a week, almost a week and a half now. And I just want to charge it and then hopefully be able to get in my steps and kind of get back into the routine of using it as of this afternoon. So I'm gonna plug it into my laptop. I'm also gonna clean out the fridge and then write a bit of a shopping list because I need to get groceries.
This is what my fridge currently looks like. It's not too messy. It's also definitely not very full. I haven't really had much of a chance to get like a proper grocery shop in yet. I have a couple of extra beers from yesterday. I have a quarter of a watermelon. I don't know what to do with it. I didn't have anything to store it in, so I might try and finish that off today before it gets too gross. I have plenty of eggs. I've also got plenty of my little protein drinks, but I get these from Costco, and I don't know when we're gonna go to Costco. Sometime in the next few days. I have some chicken, which I don't know if that's still okay. I have some ham, but that's totally fine because I actually picked that up yesterday. I have some bagels, which are still fine. I have this pasta, which I don't think is okay anymore. And what is in here? I can take this out. I am just writing a shopping list in, what do you call it? The Notes app. I love the Notes app. Okay, what do I need? We need milk, tomatoes, get some avocado. I am just packing my little tote bag, making sure that I have everything to be able to go and get groceries. I think it's all there. But before we head out, I'm gonna thank today's video sponsor, which is PINSPARK. They make these really adorable little lounge sets. This little set is the gray one. They have lounge shorts with pockets, and then they have a matching sweatshirt, which also has pockets, and it's just such a cute little set. The fabric is really lightweight. It's not fleecy or anything like that, so it makes for a really great little summer set. and they come in a bunch of different colors. This one is the dark green set. I really, really like this one. I think this one's very fun and bright. And this one is the little beige set. If you're a beige lover, then this one is definitely for you. As you can see on the inside, they're not fleecy. They're just a really soft, lightweight fabric. I also have the matching pants to the beige sweatshirt, and I think this is such a cute little outfit. This would make a really great airport outfit because it's so comfy and it would be really easy to travel in. They also make a bunch of tennis skirts, which are so cute. This one has a double layer of fabric, and then they have the little shorts underneath as well. They're so flowy and cute. This one comes in a bunch of different colors. This one is a different style of a tennis skirt. I really like this one with the stripe around the bottom. So this is the navy with the white stripe, but this does come in a bunch of different colors, like a classic white and black, all different bright fun colors. So if you are interested in some new tennis skirts, athletic wear, or cozy lounge sets, I will link everything below. It is all available on Amazon, so it's really easy to get, and you can check it out in the description. I just remembered I really need to get new flowers. These white ones still look amazing, but this is gross. I kind of forgot about it and I didn't really know what to do with it while I was gone, and now it's a little bit moldy, which is just gross. So I'm gonna go and get some fresh flowers and make this look really pretty as well.
Just got back. I grabbed 2 bunches of lilies. To be honest, I probably could have just grabbed one because there's actually quite a lot in here. But what I might do is split it up between this vase and one of my other vases. And then that way I get 2 lots of flowers to put in here, which I'm kind of excited about. These flowers were really nice, but I do just love a plain white lily. I think they're just so nice. I grabbed some milk, a pizza for later because I don't know what to cook. I really need to get on top of figuring out what I'm gonna do for my nighttime meal. Spring onions, tomatoes, 2 avocados. What I love about Trader Joe's is they actually separate the avocados. They have one shelf full of ripe, ready to go avocados, and then they have another shelf of the harder ones that are not quite ripe yet. So I always get one of each, and then that way I can have this one right now, and then this one I can have over the next couple of days. I also got some salmon. Usually I get a different salmon, but they were all out, and I decided to just go for it and get one of the bigger packets, and then I can have this over the next few days, because usually I only get 1 meal out of 1 packet, but this one I should get maybe 3 hopefully. I also got some turkey bacon and 2 boxes of the soup dumplings. These are amazing. They're my favorite thing in the whole world. I'm gonna have one of these right now actually, and then I'm gonna put away all my groceries, and then I don't know what I'm gonna do next. I probably should unpack my suitcase, and then I can get in and do a little bit more cleaning and deal with my bedroom stuff. So I think that'll be the plan. These dumplings are amazing. They're so good. It's only 1.5 minutes in the microwave, which I think I might have some leftover butter chicken sauce on the hot plate in the microwave. So I'm gonna have to give that a clean at some point, but these dumplings are just the best.
I'm so glad that I got lilies. I think they're so pretty. I love all the green and the light green, yellow color with the white. I just think they're so perfect. And I do think it's totally fine to have the full 6 stems in there. I don't think I need to separate it into another vase. I also cleaned out all the junk in here and moved it to another junk bowl. Anyway, I'm gonna hang out the towels. The next thing on my list is to unpack my suitcase. I actually did a lot of washing while I was away, so I don't really have any dirty clothes in here, but I do just need to empty it and put it away and put the suitcase into the closet. It's such a mess up in here, but cleaning and organizing this is a project for another day. Also, my sad little plant. I did give him some water yesterday, but I feel like he just is not happy here. I think I might need to repot him. I do think I should take a trip to Home Depot soon so I can get some potting mix, maybe some more plants, more pots. But yeah, it came back and he's very yellow and not happy. Suitcase is empty. Now the next thing that I need to do is figure out this bed situation because I just have so much stuff in here. I've had some time to think about it and I think I'm going to take them up on their offer to donate the bed and then just buy something that I really, really love. So what I do need to do is pull apart all of these pieces and get everything back into these boxes. I actually decided that I should contact the donation center to see how they want the bed to be delivered. Do they want it to be half together or do they want everything back in the boxes? So before I start pulling anything apart, I'm going to wait until I have their email confirming how they would like it to be packaged. In the meantime, I think I might just move more of it into the corner of my room and just try to tidy up here a little bit. And I think I might try and find somewhere else to stick these boxes because I just have stuff in them and I don't have a home for them yet. And you know what? I have a lot of empty kitchen cabinets. These could probably go in there. It's not perfect, but I just emptied 3 moving boxes. I have books, notebooks, stationery, little trinkets, some games, notepads. I have a bunch of tools and stuff in there. I have some electrical things. I just have stuff and it's not perfect. This is not how it's going to stay, but it's up here and it's most certainly out of the way for the time being. I can close that door and it's all hidden away. So I feel like at least I've made a little progress. I have 4 parcels here that I have been meaning to unbox. This little thing is the best thing ever. It's a little ink thing that you use to black out the labels and the addresses and things like that. Basically, you just wheel it across the address and the label, all the information. Don't do too much though, and then it's completely covered. Just like that. So I like it. Makes things very, very easy. You do have to make sure you let it dry though, because if I touch it right now, it will smudge everywhere. So you gotta let it dry. I'm gonna do this one first. This first one, we have some skincare. This is exciting. I think the brand is called Dionys and it's goat milk skincare. And what do we have? We have a Hydra Milk 24/7 moisturizer, a purifying cleanser, an anti-wrinkle cream. This box smells amazing, by the way. Like, this is just so pretty. I need this as like a room spray or a perfume. I don't know what it is, but it smells amazing. And then this is goat butter moisturizing lip mask. Also, I'm the type of person that wants to keep this sort of stuff. I want to hoard crafty stuff. I'm like, I could do something with this one day. I don't, because we all know I'm never going to do anything with it. But who else is like this, where you just want to hoard the crafty stuff? I have more stuff from Swede. I just started using their mascara the other day. It is one of the best mascaras I have ever used. Ooh, this is the Swede and the Lydia Millen collaboration. That is very, very cool. It's got her beautiful logo on the side of it. So what do we have? We have a lipstick, another lipstick. They're 2 different colors. I think this might be another lipstick. And then we have the lip liner and another lip liner. Okay, I'm gonna open these, but the mascara from Swede, amazing. These colors are amazing. The middle one is so summery. I feel like the one that's closest to my pinky, that side, is probably gonna be the one that I like the most. And then this one on this side is a little more brown, but they're so creamy. They're like a lip gloss kind of thing. Very, very nice. I have a pretty big package of makeup from this brand called Dibs. I'm gonna open these and see how we go. I think these are little palettes. They sent a little light up LED mirror, which is amazing. I wish I had unboxed this before I went away because having a little mirror like this for travel is amazing, and I actually broke the last one I had of these. This is amazing. I am so thankful for all of these things. We have a couple of contour ones. We've got some blush, all cream, which I love. We have a glow stick, a lot of different blush duos. There's a little eyeshadow palette, a couple of brushes, and then what I think is one of the greatest things. And that is a little light up LED mirror. These things are so good for travel, so handy. I really, really love that. I'm very excited to try the contour and the blush, and then also this little eyeshadow palette. Looks very, very cute. And I also really want to try out the Swede lipstick stuff as well. I just have one more box to go. And in the last box, we have a super serum, peptides and carnosine. I actually don't know what that ingredient is. Apply in the AM and PM over face and neck, avoiding eye area. I think I might have to do a little bit of research as to what part of the skincare process that goes into, like, you know, what step, what number in the process, but I'm excited to try that. I love trying new things and adding different steps to my routine, but oh my goodness, this is so exciting. I am now going to organize all of this and put it away, and that can be another thing that I've ticked off my to-do list today. I took the garbage out, and you know what, as I'm sitting here, I really need to pick some stools so that I'm not sitting so low here and I have seating for when people do come over, because that was another issue yesterday. Didn't have a lot of seating to work with, but it's fine. We'll get there eventually. I have picked out a rug, a coffee table, and a TV unit. I think I'm gonna go for it. I've been sitting on them for a few days, reading through some reviews, trying to figure it out. I think I'm gonna go for a lighter rug. I was trying to do a deeper, colorful one, and I just didn't love it. So I think I'm gonna go for a more neutral one and then try and bring some color in other areas. It's so hard to decorate with color. I want to do it so badly, but I'm having so much trouble committing to something. So I think I'm gonna go the neutral rug. If I hate it in the living room, I will use it in the bedroom because I need the same sized rug for both rooms, which is super handy. So I can just change them around if I feel like it. But I think I'm gonna go with the rug. Still a bit uncertain on the coffee table and the TV unit. I don't know. I'm thinking of going something colorful and bold. I don't know. Oh, why am I so bad at making decisions with this kind of stuff? Anyway, I think I'm going to maybe try and order it by the end of the weekend so that this upcoming week I have lots of new things to show you in my videos and like get this place really, really sorted. I also really want to get the curtains done because I returned all those other ones that didn't quite work, and I do want to get onto that because I want some nice sheer curtains hanging from the windows. So I think I've made a little bit of progress. I'm going to sit here and maybe go through some more of the ideas and just, you know, a bit more Pinteresting, a bit more inspo hunting, you know? That's what I'm going to do.
It's a few hours later. I've just been sitting here on the couch editing and working on my computer. Then I would do like a little bit of furniture shopping and then I would keep working. It's actually starting to get dark out there, so I think I might call it here for the evening because I thought I would feel amazing after a full day of resetting, but I kind of have a bit of a migraine, so I don't feel that great. And I'm thinking it's time to throw my pizza in the oven and just call it a night, you know, go to bed early, and then hopefully I can wake up and the migraine that I feel in here and in this part of my head will be gone. So fingers crossed, but I feel better. I feel like I got a few things done today and I can now start getting this place organized next week. So I can't wait to share with you all the new things that I'm gonna get. I hope you're having a wonderful week and I will see you very shortly. And I'm gonna start with a bit of a haul of all the things that I picked up over the weekend. The set of utensils is the color that I'm going for. And then, oh, I have curtains.
Please don't judge.